guys, Ollie Wheatley. This is episode 4 on the Porsche Backdate that we're doing. It is the same Ollie as well. I've just decided to have a beard trim and a haircut. So if you're wondering if there's another one, there's not, it's just me. So where we were last time, the roof was off and we're doing quite a lot of panel work. The roof is now on, the rear quarters are now on. Majority of the patchwork, which was really poor before, we've redone. We're coming to a close now, actually, on the panel work and the welding and the gap work. But one thing we always wanted to touch base on was we were talking about the front wings and the arches. We soon realised that they had actually welded them in the wrong place, like many other things on this car, so we weren't surprised, to be honest. But anyway, so what the problem was the arch wasn't centred to the wheel. So what we've done now is actually had to cut these, modify them and make sure they're centre of the wheel. Obviously we're not massive fans of using pug, so we've tried to eliminate that as much as possible, but purely budget wise didn't allow us to buy, again, whole new wings and arches and make them. So we've done a lovely job anyway. We're very, very happy where they sit now. Al's done a superb job, same as Kyle. The car looks fantastic. It is a team effort, like I always say, it's not just me, and yeah, very, very pleased. We've still got patch repair work to do on this wing. Also in the windscreen scuttle, we've still got corrosion in there, which we're going to do. But apart from that, apart from a couple of panels, we are there with the repair work. Door gaps now are nearly 100% perfect. We've just got a bit of trimming around the doors to do and they will be perfect. The rear quarters, we weren't happy with the bulge it was creating and also the size of the swage gap. It just wouldn't have suited the car. Well, that's what we thought. So what we've actually had to do is what actually Al's had to do, being the panel man. So we've beaten out this quarter through here, panel beating this out. So now it's created a much flatter and much nicer curve in our eyes. And we've actually managed to make a swage, which is a lot smaller, which actually makes it look more modern. And it's going to suit the car, as I said before, much, much better. Same thing this side as well, guys. Again, matched it to the other side. Much, much happy with the shape and the smaller swage. It will make a hell of a difference once we've come to completion. Again, this door, we've done the gap. We are 90% there on the doors. It will be 100% by the time we finished. Very, very, very happy. So on the offside front wing, guys, again, we haven't actually started cutting this one yet, but we're going to make it the same as the other side. And again, the reason for doing that was when they put the front wings on, previously, whoever done it, there was such a huge gap at the back of the wheel and a tiny gap at the front of the wheel. So it's very important that the wheel sits central to the arch. We've just masked out here. There's photos and videos before of us doing the last one, so you'll get a rhythm of why we're doing and what we're doing it for. And also, again, this didn't have a swage, they just came out to a point. So we're creating the same swage at the back on the front. Again, it modernises the car and gives it a much, much cleaner look. So just to summarise, we are very, very, very close to finishing panel work, pug work, repair work, welding work, and soon we'll be on to prep and paint. So keep watching.